Hey guys, I am Rahman Binujit and today I am introducing Artiphik, the AI agent for YouTubers. This is a team that you actually need as a solo creator, but you cannot afford, right? So I have been working in the creator economy for like almost a decade now, and there are a lot of problems that I have faced. And right now, with the help of AI, we can solve a lot of problems. For example, if you're a solo creator, creating titles, creating thumbnails, coming up with new ideas, then analyzing your channel, uh, all of these things takes time and you don't most probably do not have experience. If you try to go hire a strategist or hire a thumbnail designer, it will cost you a lot of money, right? What Artific does is it helps you with generating titles that will genuinely help you bring more views to your videos, generating thumbnails that those thumbnails are really amazing, like actually designer level thumbnails, then coming up with scripts, new ideas, what it will help you find videos that are really performing well in your niche. Then analyzing your channel analytics, it will tell you like which video is performing well, which video is not performing well, why it is not performing well, so it will give you insights as well. And yeah, so this is it. Let me show you quickly the application. So this is the chat interface and you can ask anything. For example, if I ask generate two titles for a video on how to make biryani in 2 hours, okay, as simple as that. Let's see what it does. So it will just first read your message, then it will uh, try to study what niche your channel is. So if you connect your YouTube channel, it will also like try to give titles that is best for your channel. So I'll come to that later. But see, never buy biryani again. 2 hours secret. Biryani in 2 hours. The impossible recipe. You can generate bunch of titles like this, and whatever it's suitable for you, you can like pick that. Then I can ask like generate a thumbnail for the first one. Hit enter and let's see what it does. So it will ask me questions like, okay, do you want to use a face on the thumbnail or not? So I'll pick a face. It will cost me 50 credits. Let AI decide. I'll hit generate. It will show a picker that you want to upload a thumbnail, sorry, a face, or there are like you can save a lot of personas that you want to repeatedly use, right? So I'll pick my face. So now it is generating the thumbnail and we'll wait for some time because generating thumbnails takes a little bit more time. For example, 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Sometimes it goes up to 2 minutes. Depends on what kind of thumbnail it is generating. So while it is generating the thumbnail, I'll show you some other features that the application has. For example, workspace. So in the workspace, you can create multiple projects. For example, if I create a project, uh, and I'll name it how to make biryani, right? And create the project. It will open the project for us, and here you can manage your entire YouTube video. For example, you can add ideas here, you can add research, you can add titles, thumbnails that you are generating there, scripts, notes, everything, and you can add a to-do list as well. So you can manage everything in one place. There you also have a chat. So in the chat, it will work as same as this chat, like you can ask questions. It will have the context of this project. um, you can ask it to generate thumbnails, you can ask it to save it in this project, it will save it for you. So let's go back to the chat. So there was a little lag, but it generated the thumbnail for us. See, never buy biryani again, 2 hours secret. See the quality of this thumbnail. Look at this, you can just directly upload it. Then you can ask it to save this thumbnail in a project. For example, save this thumbnail to the project, or you can like click here and save it. But I'll ask it to do it. Let's see what it does. So it showed me the options like, is this the project you want to save to, uh, save in, and it will do it for me. So it saved this thumbnail to this project. And if we go back to that project again, in the thumbnail section, you have this thumbnail. See? And in this chat as well, for example, in the project, if I ask, can you generate three titles for this project? Okay, hit enter. See, I did not have to tell it like generate the title for a project, like for this topic. It know that okay, this video is about how to make biryani, so it already generated the titles, and you can like ask it to save it. You can just click here, copy it, everything. Right now, let's go to the profile. So if you go to profile, you can connect your YouTube channel from here directly, right? So I'll select connect. Then you have to select your YouTube channel and give like the permissions, then continue. We only read your data, we do not modify anything on your YouTube channel. So now we are connected with the YouTube channel, and it shows like this much subscribers, this many subscribers we have, this many videos we have uploaded. And if we go to insights, it will show all the data, like all the videos, how many views, how many watchers, one title that is matching with a video. For example, if you generate any titles and then use that title in any of your video, it will show that. Okay, then if you go to analytics, it will give you a detailed score based on your YouTube channel performance. It will show you all the analytics data, how many views you are getting, then all the like packaging, all kind of metrics that it is kind of calculating, right? And then give you a lot of AI recommendation, a lot of things. If you open any video, it will show you insights for that video, like what you can improve, what you uh, like what are the current status of this video, the thumbnail. You can click here and generate a new titles, a bunch of things. Then you have studio. So inside studio, you can do anything. This one also I generated using this studio. Look at the quality, right? Here you get all the kind of access or control how to create a thumbnail. So you can give prompt, right? You can add assets. You can add persona. For example, if I select my face and tag it, I can say like tag this persona and say put this guy on the left side, sorry, left side. So it will, in the thumbnail it will put this image or this guy on the left side. So those are the things that you have control, which you do not have in so many other AI tools, right? If I show you the prompt for this one as well. Okay, we have the prompt. So see, like I added like that at the rate this person in the front and center. I put the like assets, this wine bottle as assets, and at the rate this I tag this asset and like just gave it instruction like how I want the asset to use, right? So you can click here and upload any asset and then tag it and then hit generate. It will generate this kind of thumbnails. You have like titles, you have scripts, you have ideas, everything. For scripts, if you click on any script, you get this editor. Like you can just edit any script. You it giving right now, it's giving you a lot of like visual cues and everything. If you click on all directions, it will just show you the script. Here also you have this chat button. If you click chat, it gives you a chat window. So you can ask it to like change the hook, change any other things, and it will do it for you. If you select like this part, you can give it edit like okay, like just okay, punch up. Okay, so I'll just click punch up and let's see what it does. I'm not showing you a lot of things in individual things because, for example, the thumbnail generation already showed you in the chat. So it will take more time to generate again in Studio. So I did not do that, but you can use it and tell me because you have two free thumbnails that you can generate when you sign up. So just try it. Let me know your feedback. So I just gave it and it just punched up the hook, right? So previously I think it is this, now it's this. So this is how it works. This is like exactly how a creators would use, and I just made it like that. And there are a bunch of other things that you can use and you can explore, and you can ask it questions like how we would ask a question to a strategist, right? For example, if I ask like critic my last video, okay, and hit enter, it has access to your all the YouTube videos, right? Like you connected your YouTube video, so it will like pull all the thumbnail, like not all the thumbnail but thumbnail of that video, title, script, and then analyze and give you a insight like, okay, what are the things that you can change, what are the things that you can improve, right? So this is what Artific is in a nutshell. And if I go to our website artific.com, you can see the pricing. It is really like affordable. I won't suggest you to take the $49 per month offer first. Just try out the $19 per month, see if it helps you. If it does, which I am sure that it will genuinely help you, then you can upgrade to $49, okay? And $19 is like, so let me tell you the real value, okay? If you hire a thumbnail designer for one thumbnail, they will charge you between 1000 rupees to 4000 rupees. $19 is like 1700 rupees or 1800 rupees, okay? So it's like one thumbnail cost of a one thumbnail that you would if you hire a designer, right? With $19 you can generate up to 50 thumbnails on the pro model. On fast model, which is not that amazing but it gets the work done, you can generate up to 80 thumbnails maybe. So this is the clear value you get, and a lot of things that I have added in the app that I did not like kind of cover in this video because it will get lot bigger. You can see all the features and everything in the landing page. So I hope this tool will genuinely help a lot of creators, a lot of new creators, solo creators, aspiring creators. And I'm super glad that I have built this, something that I would have it would have helped me if I had it when I started creating videos on YouTube. And yeah, thank you so much. I'm hoping that it will help you guys genuinely. And if you have uh, like any creator friends, just tag them in this post, share the tool with them. It will genuinely help them.